Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login 8. Today in this video I am going to show you how to make YouTube playlist public. Public playlists are for everyone to view. Anyone can watch and share public videos from the playlist that you have created and made public. To make YouTube playlist public, first open your YouTube application on your mobile phone. Make sure that you are logged into your Google account on your YouTube. After that, you'll be taken to the home page. Now tap on your profile icon at down right corner. Then here you can see your history along with the playlists. Now if you have already created your playlist, then you can tap on the three dots near the playlist and tap on edit option. Then tap on privacy option and select public at first. With that, tap on plain icon at top right corner. This will make your private playlist that you have already created to public playlist. Similarly, if you want to create new public playlist, then you can scroll to the left. Then here tap on plus sign. Now here you can see various of videos that you can add. To add the videos, tap on the square. After that, tap on next. With that, here you can also enter the title of your playlist. After that, here you can see the privacy option. Tap on privacy option, then tap on public. With that, tap on create. With this, you'll be able to make YouTube playlist public. As you can see here, both of my playlist has been public. You can see public written down the playlist name. This is how we can make YouTube playlist public. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you liked today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.